Exit lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you. If we must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on items behind. Do not take anything with you at all. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings. If a strap appears, pull down on the strap to access the mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on before helping others. Should you need it, you will find a life vest with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking of any kind on any aircraft is prohibited by law and could land you in jail. FAA regulations prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with all lighted signs and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon, so please bring your seat backs up, close your tray tables, and fasten your seat belts. Food and beverage items must be collected or put away for departure. And once again, welcome aboard.
Gotta say, that slow talking really got on my nerves this whole flight. But hey, I dealt with it. Anyway, hello and welcome aboard United Flight 224 with service down to Burbank, California. We are aboard November 841 Uniform Alpha, an 18-year-old Airbus A319-131 in seat 10 Foxtrot. It definitely got windy during our layover here in Denver. Winds are now reported to be 310 at 19, gusting 26. Otherwise, 10 nautical miles visibility, few clouds of 6,000, 9,000, and 20,000. With an air temperature of 6 degrees Celsius and a dew point of minus 15 degrees Celsius. The conversions to Fahrenheit for those temps are 42 degrees and 5 degrees respectively. I just flew in on this plane from Tucson. In fact, go check out the greasy landing here in Denver. That is, once you're done watching this gusty departure. Both the departure from Tucson and arrival into Denver will be linked above. We will be taxiing runway 25 today via Bravo November Golf. After takeoff, we make a quick right turn to head north of the Rocky Mountain Arsenal National Wildlife Refuge. That was a lot of words. Before heading west to waypoint Kimmer, onto Quebec 96, direct Perse, south of Las Vegas, and joining the January 5 arrival into Burbank. Anyway, I've chit-chatted enough. Time to get to the flight.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
as always, thank you so very much for watching. We're making our way over the Rocky Mountains here. We're actually passing near Eagle, Colorado here. And I'd just like to ask you guys to please seriously consider subscribing to the channel to support this kind of content. Because for me, flying big planes in the small airports is really fun. I'm sure it is for you as well as the viewers. Anyway, we're getting settled in for this flight. It's about 2.5 hours. And I will see you in Burbank. See ya.